video right here is just simply to go over number 5. It's the only one that I haven't done today. So we're going to look at it and show you how to set it up. It says Car Rentals rents cars and trucks for $25 and $30 a day, respectively. If you ever see that in a word problem, just know that if you see the word cars and then trucks, and then you see the word respectively, you know the numbers are also going to be in order. So the cars are going to be 25 and the trucks are going to be 30. So when it says respectively, it lets you know, hey, it's going to stay in that particular order. So what I'd like you to do right now is put cars on your paper. And cars are equal to $25 a day. And hey, let's just make cars X. And then since we make cars X, we'll make trucks Y. And trucks cost $30 a day. So I said last Tuesday they rented all but 7 rental vehicles. So all of the cars that they had, we don't know how many they had, but we know that they rented all of them but 7, and they reported $195 in lost rentals. How many trucks were not rented last Tuesday? So right now we're not trying to figure out how much money that they made. We're working with how much money that they lost. Now I don't know how many cars that were not rented, but I guarantee you if we added the number of trucks that they did not rent, that would equal a total of 7 vehicles that were not rented. And then I know that there's $25 per day for cars, plus there are $30 per truck, and that equals a total loss of $195. Now, this is a multiple choice, so we don't have to actually solve the problem. I'm going to solve the problem. We don't actually have to solve the problem. Let's show you how to use numbers. Okay, we'll do the elimination method on number 4 here in a little bit. Okay? Right now, what do these two numbers have to add up to? 7. There's a limited number of numbers that can add up to a 7. You can have what? A 1 and a 6. A 6 and a 1. 3 and a 4. 4 and a 3. 2 and a 5. 5 and a 2, right? So there's a bunch of ways to get it to 7, but there's only one way to get it to 195. Okay? So what we can do here is let's choose. I'm going to choose a wrong answer. All right, here we go. What if I plugged in a 4 and a 3 right there? Here's how you can check it. Do 25 times 4 cars and add 30 times 3 trucks, and that's 100, right? And that's 90. So what does that get you to? 100 and so that's not it. Because we want what? 195. So you guys get this is actually kind of a good way of helping you understand how to check your answers whenever you have to solve it where there's not multiple choice. That didn't work. You guys want to try one that thinks works? You want to try 5 and a 2, 2 and a 5, 3 and a 4, 6 and a 1. We got to try. 3 and a 4. That's right. 3 and a 4. Well, 3 plus 4 is 7, so that works. I'm going to plug in a 3 here and a 4 here. I multiply that out. That's a 75. That's, guess what you just found? Oh, man, look at that. You found the one that works. Now, by the way, careful. X was equal to, Y was equal to, how many trucks were not rented? 4. By the way, a lot of times students will accidentally choose 3 because 3 is one of the numbers that works, but 3 represents the X, the cars, not the trucks. So make sure, before you guys ever circle an answer to a multiple choice question, make sure you're actually answering the question. Okay? By the way, just so you guys know, I have done this before. I have had the exact same question with the same numbers, except I changed this word from trucks to cars. And what would happen to the answer? It would go from answer to being B to answer A. So you got to be careful, students, knowing that. Don't just read the question and go, hey, we've already done this. I'm just going to make it B. Because you might be wrong. Right. You might be right.